laying there, and I just like looked at this guy and he was like asleep, and I literally thought in my mind like I could literally stay here forever, and that was probably like the best one.
Going to start by pinning my bangs because we don't want it to get in the way. I'm priming my face with my 3CE Back to Baby primer. This is the only primer that I have. So I'm just putting that all over my nose, and next I'm taking my foundation. This is the only foundation that I've been using, and this is my current favorite foundation. It's from It Cosmetics, and I'm just putting my foundation all over the place and blending it with my sponge. For concealer, I still use the same. I'm using my Makeup Forever concealer, and I just put it everywhere, including my under eyes, because I ran out of my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind one, but this one works well. To set my face, I'm using the Kat Von D powder foundation in the shade Medium 57, and it adds more coverage, and it actually comes with this puff, but I'm just using a retractable brush from H&M. I forgot one thing, I didn't moisturize my lips, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm using the Clarins lip oil in the shade Red Berry, and this gives a slight tint to your lips, and I really like it. I'm priming my eyelids using my eye primer. This is also the only one that I have. I'm gonna use my Yes Please palette, and I'm taking this lightest color for a base and just putting that all over my eyelids. Now I'm taking this single shadow from Innisfree. This is a really pretty pink color. And just basically putting that all over my lid. Next, I'm taking this color. It's called Bluey, and I'm going to be applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. Taking this color called Bling for my outer corners of my eyes, the same place where I applied the previous color, but this is just to darken the color even more. Now I'm just blending it out so it doesn't look too harsh. Taking the same color, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line, but only half of it. Now I'm taking this jumbo liner to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm dragging it down to my lower lash line and connect it with the eyeshadow. Curl my lashes and put on mascara. taking this blush from Becca, and I'm barely tapping my brush onto the blush because it's really pigmented, so a little goes a really long way. For a highlight, I'm using this liquid highlighter that I used in my previous makeup video, and this acts as a glue for the powder highlighter that I'm going to be applying later. The highlighter that I'm using is this Wet n Wild highlighter, and just putting it where I put my liquid highlighter. For lip color, I chose a nude lip color because there's already a lot going on my eyes and cheeks. So this is from Maybelline, and I really recommend this because it's really smooth, unlike other matte lipsticks, and it makes the lines on my lips disappear, and I really recommend this. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching it, or maybe recreate this look at home. I'll see you on our next video. Bye!